Hi, I'm Joy Barsh. I'm 16 years old and I'm a junior in high school, and I'm with Black Girls Do STEM, and I am also an intern at the Aerospace and Aircraft Lab this summer. I am working on revamping an old wing from an airplane to make a mold out of it so we can get a new, fresh, and running wing. This wing is made out of resin, polyfiber, foam, wood, and also when it was up and running, it had different wires and servos running throughout it so that the plane could operate and fly.
My name is Shrikant Gururajan, and I am an assistant professor of aerospace engineering here in the School of Science and Engineering at St. Louis University. I also run what we call the aircraft lab here in the Department of Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering. So this summer, we've had a chance to partner with Black Girls Do STEM. We've had a really good experience with Joy being in the lab. So we don't really put people into very specific tasks when they come in, especially at the high school level, because we don't know what they bring to the table and we don't know what their interests specifically are going to be. So what we do in the aircraft lab is to work on small UAVs, uncrewed aerial vehicles or uncrewed aerial systems. What you see here is the piece that Joy has been working on over summer.
During this program and my internship, I've learned the hands-on process behind making model type airplanes through aerospace and how to make them fly and to be safe as well as just flying. The biggest takeaway I've gotten from my internship is consistency. You cannot give up in the middle of doing something. You have to stick all the way through. And even if you're making small progress or no progress, eventually the big picture will come all together.
What do we do with this airplane? This airplane is going to be fully instrumented, by which I mean it's going to have a computer on it, and we're going to collect all sorts of data that we get from the airplane flying. What we want to be able to do is to provide an opportunity for students who are in high school to see what an engineering career would be possibly like.
This whole process has inspired me because I want to become a surgeon and work with my hands-on on a daily. As a surgeon, you cannot give up on your patient in the middle of a surgery. You have to stick it through. You have to remain consistent and safe for everyone. As a Black girl within this internship, I have learned that I have to find my voice within everything. Even though it may not be purposeful, people do not listen to me on the first time. I have to voice myself and make myself heard and let them know that I am still here. As a surgeon, I will have to voice anything, any concerns that I have because I have someone's life in my hands and I can't just let what I say go undermined.